Travel with VJ. Canada Tourist Visa, a complete document checklist for 2023. Canada, as a country, is known for being the most immigration-friendly nation. It is also a beautiful country to visit, having a variety of natural wonders, historical monuments and diverse cultures. While most immigration applicants get a Canada Tourist Visa easily, quite often, a lot of applications get rejected due to incomplete forms, and insufficient or incorrect documentation. If you plan on getting a tourist visa for Canada, read along to know all the important aspects about it. Who requires a Canada Visitor Visa? Foreign nationals who would like to visit Canada for leisure and tourism purpose. Meet family and friends. Business purpose. All the above categories require having a visitor visa to enter Canada. This is a type of temporary resident visa. Minimum requirements for a Canada Visitor Visa. The requirements for a Canada Visitor Visa for an applicant. 1 must have a passport. 2 must have good health. 3 must have no criminal record. 4 must have enough funds to support your stay in Canada. 5 must provide the travel itinerary and to and from air tickets. 6 must show proof of job, family, and financial assets. What are the documents required for Canada Tourist Visa? The 9 important documents required for a Canada Visit Visa are: 1. Passport. You need to have a genuine passport and other important travel documents. While applying for a Canada visa, to provide 2 photocopies containing the information page of your passport. The photocopies should include date of issue and expiry of the passport, passport number, personal information, it includes photo, name, date of birth and place of birth. 2. Photographs. Minimum 2 passport size photos are required when you are applying for a Canada Tourist Visa. 3. Proof of funds. You have to submit a proof that you can support the family during your stay or visit to Canada. These are the following documents that you have to submit as proof of funds. Bank statements. Letter of employment, to show your annual earnings. Financial support evidence from friends/family to cover your expenses during your stay. Income evidence of the person who will host you during your stay in Canada. Other financial proofs like property, PPFs, shares, FTs, etc. Tax filing documents of the last 3 years. 4. Cover letter. You should write a cover letter or declaration to the Government of Canada, explaining why they should provide you with a tourist visa. 5. Letter of invitation. If you are visiting your family or friends, then you have to submit a letter of invitation received from them. 6. Visa application form and other documents. You have to download this visa application form the IRCC website. Then submit all the documents, pictures, fee receipts, passport copies, and other documents. 7. Travel itinerary. A complete plan of the trip you are making, including to and from air tickets, mentioning the places you are going to visit, and a detailed description of routes of travel you will be using during your visit to Canada. 8. Memorandum of Association and other documents. Self-employed applicants should submit Memorandum of Association company's important corporate document, and other supporting documents. 9. Documents of proof. You need to make the visa officers believe that you are not planning to stay in Canada. The documents that are required are: proof of employment, employment contract details which claims that you are their permanent employee, job role in the company and your expected date to return to the company for work. Proof of lease, property dealing, these documents prove that you will return to your country once your trip is over. Note: for the students, ID cards is mandatory, and for retired applicants, they should show their pension slips and retirement proofs along with above documents for tourist visa. The process to apply for a Canada visa needs the patients to follow a few steps. Step 1. Download the visa application. Step 2. Attach all the documents supporting the application. Step 3. Pay the visa processing fee and biometrics fee. Step 4. Submit your application. Step 5. Give your biometrics, fingerprint and photograph, visit embassy or consulate. Step 6. Upon reviewing your background check and eligibility, you will receive your decision. During the review stage, the Immigration Department may ask for additional documents. What is the fee required to apply for Canada Tourist Visa? For the tourist visa, the fee required is: application fee, 100 Canadian dollars, 6,140 Indian rupees approximately. Biometrics fee, 85 Canadian dollars, 5,219 Indian rupees approximately. Funds needed for a Canada tourist visa. An individual living in Canada needs 1,230 Canadian dollars, 75,525 Indian rupees approximately, per month for their monthly expenses, and if an applicant is coming for tourism, then 2,000 Canadian dollars, 122,805 Indian rupees approximately, for 30 days per person is enough. This amount is in addition to the visa fees. Processing time for the Canada Tourist Visa. The processing time for visitor visas taken is 10 to 15 working days. This time does not include time for giving biometrics. Application sends between VAC and visa office. Note: visitor visas are non-immigrant visa. Thank you for watching video. If you like video, please like you, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Travel with VJ.